Remember that 0.5 degree error from earlier? Over the course of its flight, that error has now compounded from just a few feet off track to now roughly 10 miles. But the missile doesn't know this. As it turns over, its onboard accelerometers detect the missile's descent and turn on its active seeker for its terminal phase, searching the GPS coordinates given to it by its Hootie operators. But little did the missile or the Hooties know that the Laboon is nowhere near the spot she was last at. Within seconds of being notified that a missile was inbound, the Laboon's officer of the deck ordered an emergency online start of the engines. When this occurs, many of the processes in the normal startup procedures are skipped so that within 90 seconds, the ship can go from putzing along at 3 knots to now steaming at more than 30. As the ship rapidly gains speed, the Laboon comes about to port to get maximum illuminator coverage on the missile.